Hello and welcome students to my YouTube channel Saurabh Jetley Tutorials. I hope you are all well. Today you will learn about heat and we will also discuss about its various applications. Do watch the whole video and don't forget to like and share. Heat is one of the essential form of energy which is necessary for our survival and results into variety of phenomenon in nature. Let us firstly define heat. It is that form of energy which is transferred between systems or objects having difference in temperatures. Students, you must keep one thing in mind that heat always travels from a body at higher temperature to the body at lower temperature. As you can see, block A is at higher temperature than block B. When both are placed together, heat flows from block A towards block B till both reaches same temperature. Students, during this, the temperature of block A decreases gradually, whereas the temperature of block B increases gradually. This discussion now leads us to the next terminology and concept, thermal equilibrium. Two bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium when there is no flow of heat energy between them. This happens when both are at same temperature. Students, as we saw earlier, both blocks ultimately acquired same temperature where no heat flow occurs after that. This happened due to thermal equilibrium. Students, now we will discuss about various effects of heat. Heat changes the state of matter. It changes the shape of the body. It changes the volume of the body. It can also change the temperature of the body. Let us now discuss about various applications of heat. Heat is used for cooking raw food. Cooking of food makes it easier for us to digest and kills harmful microorganisms. It makes our food yummy and aromatic also. Heat brings about change in state of matter. Its major application can be observed in nature in the form of water cycle. We will discuss about the interconversion of states of matter and water cycle in another session. Heat energy has provided us capability to make different things as per our utility and requirement. Since medieval times, humans have been using the heat generated by combustion of fuels to shape their weapons, shields, armors, etc. In industries, heat is widely used in forging, casting, and forming operations. Heat is used in glass industry for the manufacturing of window panes, bottles, flasks, etc. This is an insight to bottle manufacturing unit wherein the bottles are preheated and shaped according to various uses. Students, heat therapy is boon in medical science. It provides relief from muscular pain and alleviates stiffness of the joints. Students, chemical energy in fuel is converted into heat energy during their combustion, which in turn provides us mechanical energy. This makes transportation of us and goods from one place to another possible. Last but not least, heat provides us the warmth without which we cannot survive in winters. That's it for now. If you liked my efforts, then do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Saurabh Jetley Tutorials. Take a very good care of yourself and I wish you all happy learning.